things are not safe after 10 p.m. for girls. Why? There are 10 males and 8, 9 or 10 female, fine, but the moment this ratio becomes 10 male, 1 female, it becomes insecure for the girl. Even in a workplace, more girls, safe, less girl. Because how many guards can you keep? Can you keep many guards? हर औरत पे एक guard रख सकते हैं क्या? This means that only solution currently after 10 p.m. Delhi or any other city, few cities are very safe like Mumbai, but in Delhi things are not safe after 10 p.m. for girls. Why? What is the main reason? Women are less. After 10 p.m. you do not find many women out there. So till the time there are 10 males and 8, 9 or 10 female, fine, but the moment this ratio becomes 10 male, 1 female, the overall power dynamics changes. It becomes insecure for the girl. Even in a workplace, more girls, safe, less girl, unsafe. This means that if you want to, because how many guards can you keep? Can you keep many guards? हर औरत पे एक गार्ड रख सकते हैं क्या? और गार्ड्स को कौन गार्ड करेगा? है ना, गार्ड्स को कौन गार्ड करेगा? This means that only solution है lady guard. है ना? So this means that the way to solve it can only be by increasing the women in all spaces. The more women in the spaces, more women in the decision making areas, less threatened they are. Simple, isn't it? Very less. So there are in government offices you find less cases of any such sexual harassment or activities is less. Why? Women are more, okay. Equal opportunity is given, yes, yes. Plus so there is this particular thing that most of the offices have a good share of women, because women are employed at all levels from MTS to the officers, at all level. So highest officer also you can find a woman, but in private companies, as there is this increase in designation, there is a glass ceiling. What is this glass ceiling effect? Glass ceiling effect is, while women are made managers, they are not able to break the glass ceiling and come to the positions of CEOs, MDs, because these positions are considered as a male bastion. Male bastion means they are considered to be the holding grounds of male, and the reason is simple, that male can devote more time and male can devote more or can avail more networking than female, and these things are generally creating the glass ceiling, and therefore there is a movement which comes up, break the glass ceiling, so that the women can come to the higher positions in private industries also. And the moment that happens, the overall environment and the diversity of the institution improves. This is why many MNCs and foreign private companies, MNCs, have started maintaining the diversity of their workforce. They are maintaining that a sufficient number of females should be there in the hiring list. A sufficient number of people from different backgrounds should be there, from rural, from this, from that, even though the qualification may be a little less, but they harness the diversity quotient, because the diversity quotient helps the development of overall organization as a workplace. Okay. Therefore, in simple terms, do men also require empowerment, or does women empowerment is sufficient enough? Men also require empowerment, empowerment of having all types of job. Yes, so they should be allowed. If supposedly a boy doesn't want to work and want to be a stay-home dad, he should have the liberty of doing so, and he should not be looked down upon. Okay. If the man wants to be working in fashion industry, or maybe working for some other female oriented job spaces, he should be allowed to. Yes, first. What else? Can a woman get harassed only, or a male can also get harassed? Male can also get harassed. Recently the domestic violence, yeah, देखो तुम लोग भी हंस रहे हो, देख रहे हो mindset. You know, recently domestic violence act was neutralized, was made gender neutral. लिखना है भाई ये पेपर में. क्या तुम लोग, मुझे पक्का लग रहा है तुम लोग है ना ऐसे सुन रहे हो जैसे ना ये लिख रहे हो ना. मतलब बिकॉज है ना तुम लोग ऐसे देख रहे हैं, मुझे फेसेस तुम्हारे ऐसे ऐसे नजर आ रहे हैं, लिखता वो कोई बहुत कम नजर आ रहा है. So domestic violence act was made gender neutral, because there have been cases also where wives were harassing and doing domestic violence on husbands. Many cases. This means that just looking at one side of the mirror, or just looking at the one side, we should not pass judgments. Simple. So men empowerment is also necessary. Men empowerment in the sense of making them more secure and making them understand that it is okay to be vulnerable, it is okay to seek help, and it is okay to express their vulnerabilities.